Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload shots on YouTube using another video sound. So let's go ahead and do that. Come right here and click on this first video. Once you click on it, it opens up. Come straight to remix, click on it. Once you click on remix, you'll see use this sound, click on that. Once you do that, come over to allow, then allow, then allow. Come right here to this picture right here so they can upload the video you already have on your phone. If you want to record the video, you just go ahead and click on this red button, then record it. But I already have a video I want to upload, so click here, then allow, then click on allow again. Okay, so right now we're looking for the video, so this is it right here. So I'm using the sound of that video, so click done. So right now it's processing, so we'll just wait for it to finish processing. So that is done. So if you come right here to this pass mark right here, just click on it. So right here you can write a text, you can do some little adjustment from the timeline or filter. But while coming off here to click on next, click on next right, and that's it. The video has been uploaded using another video sound, and that's how you can use YouTube Remix.